Hey everybody, welcome to Home Fix. My name is Loretta and today I am decking out my Christmas tree in red and white just in time for Christmas. It's gonna be gorgeous, fun, happy, and exciting and very, very festive. So what I've already started to do is fill in the holes where I was not able to fluff out the branches to where it would fill in holes. So see here, I already stuck one of the branches in here. This is a filler branch. And you see how it's kind of a hole in there? So what I'm gonna do is stick that in there, see that? And voila, presto changeo, no hole. So I'm gonna do that all around the tree. I've got different textures of fillers here. This one is like a white glittery look to it. This one is more of a snowy look. So I'm just taking and just picking out what spot I wanna fill that in with which textured filler branch, okay? Then from there, I'm gonna go to my favorite part, the ribbon, okay? And then we'll move on from there. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button because there will be tons of Christmas videos coming your way. So I want you to make sure that you are around and ready to check out the videos when they upload, okay? So let's continue on. So let me come on in here and show you guys what it looks like. I turned on the lights on the tree. It gives it a nice glow. I'm so excited about that. But anyway, here are some of the fillers that I've placed in here, different colors, textures, shine variation. I just love this, y'all. So now I don't have these big old gaps. Let me take you out so you can see. See that? So now, and you can see the variation in color, which I like. It gives it a different dimension to the tree. And now it's time to add the ribbon. Since this is not a densely packed tree, this helps to add in and fill in nicely. And it just makes it look a little bit more interesting. Okay, so let's continue on. My hands, y'all, it look like I've been fighting flour. Because of this here. Here's my plan, y'all. Ribbon. Okay, so I have like a striped one here. Now the red part in the stripe is velvet, and then it's more of a satin linen texture in the white. And then I have a white strip here that's more just linen, kind of see-through mesh-ish. Then the stunner piece, the surprise piece, is gonna be this. This is like a 3-part string that is free-flowing until it gets to the star. The checkered star has glue that holds them together, okay? So that's kind of what it is. And so what I'm gonna do, my plan is to take some wire, so floral wire. Gotta have this in your arsenal when you're doing any kind of crafting. I cut off like maybe 4 inches, something like that. And I'm gonna take these two, put the white one behind it so that it peeks out maybe 1 inch out from the back. Go like maybe 4 or 5 inches down and loop it like that, y'all. See how that is? And then I'm gonna take my little wire, cinch it together. I think I need a little bit more loop. So let's go like 6 inches, something like that. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. So maybe like 6 inches down. Take my little wire, put it together. Make sure I have enough on the hang of the wire to loop it around the branch. That's the trick. So I'm just looping it and see how I have a little hang left. I don't know if you can, let's put this behind it. So you see the hang? Okay. So just make sure you have enough to loop on the branch. But not only am I doing that, I don't have a lot of this one, y'all. It's just one small, look. It's just one small spool of it. So I haven't used it before. This is unused, but it's still not that much. So I have to use this piece sparingly. This is gonna be, like I said, this is gonna be the stunner piece. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, and I've already put this in here. So, but what I wanted to do was connect this in here. So let me do that. Let's take and connect that in there also. Hold on. I want to put too much in there. I just want enough so it'll hold down. All right, so see now I have, look what I have, y'all. See that? That's cute. So now I have this going like this. I think I'm gonna do it again though. So I think I'm gonna have 2 loops, okay? Let's do 2. Like that. So see right here, I'm just gonna gather it in, and I'm just gonna grab another piece of wire because I have already cut a few pieces in preparation. I had some cut, but it fell down, so I made this one longer because I learned from the last one, y'all. So let's loop that in there. Boop. Boom, looped. So now I'm gonna take and place. Can y'all see? Yeah. And I'm gonna take and place it in here somewhere. So I don't know. I think I want to do it like this way, like vertical. Instead of horizontal, I'm gonna go vertical. And I fix it so that it looks pretty. Just go in there into the inner part of the branch and wrap it around, y'all, so it doesn't move. That baby doesn't move. So you can have your, your behind piece going one on this side, one on that side, or both the same side, however you want to do it. Or just one ribbon, or however, whatever looks good to you. So there's that, just as an example. You could cut this off completely and have no tail hanging down, or you can have a little tail. What y'all think I should do? No tail or tail? I think I'm not gonna have a tail for right now. I may add in a tail later, but I think for now, no tail. Okay, so let's cut the tail off. Just don't cut off your tree branch. And that's what I have, y'all. How cute and cute. The trick is with ribbon, make sure you get the kind that's wired. Because if you don't get the wired kind, you can't manipulate it like this. You have to get the wired ribbon, period. I'm gonna continue on. I have gone ahead and put together about 25 of these ribbon assortments here. Some with the special adornment, some without because I ran out. But I'm gonna go ahead and place these on the tree right now. Let's continue on, okay? So I've got a plethora of items that I am layering in to see what I like. So let's see how this turns out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like to follow along my Christmas decor journey this season. Let's talk about these baubles that are getting ready to go on my tree, y'all. I've got tons of red, clear, white, and that's like an iridescent color. So that's gonna be so pretty. But before I do that, these go on the tree. These are scent sickles, and they are scent sticks that you stick in the tree. This is cinnamon scented, and they're everywhere. So here's what they look like. You just add the hooks that come in the package, and then you get your stick. What you do is you take it, after you've connected it, you just hang it in the tree like so. And you've got that delicious scent going, wafting through your home, through your tree. I like to start with the smaller baubles at the top and then work my way to the larger sizes, going down, mixing and matching. All right, friends and family, here is my finished red and white Christmas themed tree for this year, 2022. I hope you enjoy this. You're getting a sneak peek right there of the continued theme in my living room. You guys make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well, so that you know when I upload the video that features the full living room tour. Let's take you in tight here. I put in the pics I showed you earlier, the branches there, the different ribbon that I put together in variations. So I think I ended up doing about 30 of these, y'all, no joke. About 30 of these ribbon so that I could, you know, make sure that I covered the tree the way I wanted it to be, because I wanted to have a full tree this year. Last year was a little bit more minimalistic look. This year I went all out in regards to decking it out. So I hope that you love this. I'm gonna take you in tight on the topper right now. All right, we're going up the ladder so that I can show you the topper up close and personal. Y'all see that? So this is what I did. I basically took about 4 of these different sticks from Michael's. There's some stems, and I think they had like maybe 3 or 4 baubles on a stem, something like that. And I just stuck them down in there, moved them all around because these sticks can move. And you'll see how long they are. You gotta get the long ones if you wanna make it into a topper, okay? So just go through their topper aisle is what I call it. But they have these sticks, these stems there at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Some of the other stores have them too. So just check it out, see what they have going on over there. Joann's has some nice ones too. And see what you like and just play around with it, because I had made it more busy up here. Initially I had other things stuck in there as well, and it just looked too cluttered. So I just went with a simplistic look. I hope you guys like that. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Also let me know what color Christmas tree you are doing this year or have done. Have you put up your tree yet? Let me know that. Get ready to record that right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button, that helps my channel. Hey y'all, I just hit 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. If you are a subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you are new, and I hope that you enjoy it here. I do tons of Christmas videos. Check out the ones that are in the playlist. I will include the playlist here on the screen and also down in the description bar, okay? So anyway, in the meantime, y'all, I will see y'all later. I'm gonna take you all the way out so you can see the full tree. So let's see the full tree. You're gonna get a sneak peek to the right and to the left of the red and white theme in the living room, y'all. But I want you to see, there you go. So see that, see the tree skirt? Oh, so fun. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, bye y'all.